My day with the Apple Watch begins like this. Getting out of bed, getting ready for the day. Putting on the watch has become a ritual, something that tells my brain that the day is finally starting. Starting the day with a workout is often the best, especially on good days when I get up before 9. It gets the activity ring going and makes me feel that I'm on my way to a productive day. That sounds weird because it rhymes. Most days, I only get the workout in at night before bed, but onto that later. Meal preps become more fun when I get to ask Siri to... Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes and counting.
Something that my phone often cannot understand. Hey Siri. Siri. Especially when it is a distance away from me. Traveling on public transport has become exciting because I get to use my watch to pay. Something that I know I can do with my phone or the bus card, but it is more convenient when I'm carrying a lot of things and my phone is hidden somewhere in my bag. And this is something that happens often. Making payments in stores have become very exciting as well because, yes, you guessed right, I'm paying with my watch when I can. But I know this excitement will die out eventually when watch payments become a norm. Whether I'm busy editing videos or writing scripts, my watch never forgets to ask me to breathe or to stand up every single hour. It gets annoying sometimes, especially when I'm in the zone and super focused, but it is a reminder that I deserve a break. Or that if I've slacked off for too long, the break has ended and I need to go back to work. I don't listen to the breathe reminder a lot, but when I do, it really does help calm my mind. Nowadays, I kind of like to put my phone away because I get distracted by it so often. Whether I have notifications or not, I tend to like to scroll through my feed, so it's helpful that I have my watch with me right on my wrist where I can skip tracks, be notified only by the important stuffs, and be limited to the interface of the watch. It is super useful to have the silent mode and theater mode so that I'm not rudely interrupted by the beeps on the watch. It's a feature I greatly appreciate when I want some peace and quiet from my watch. Getting phone calls are really fun these days because everything is connected. My phone, my Mac, my Apple Watch, they all ring at the same time whenever I get a call. Now, replying messages on the watch is fun too because dictation is definitely more accurate on the Apple Watch and I can say things like this and the watch can dictate perfectly well or not. Towards the end of the day, I like to check my activity rings and compare them with my friends. Stalker, I know, but I like to see what they were up to. It motivates me to complete my ring if I'm really far behind. I also get really motivated to exercise at night just before 12 a.m. just so that I can complete at least one ring and feel like I accomplished something for the day. I also really like to measure my heart rate using the ECG method just to know that I'm okay. Or, when I'm bored, I just like to create and play with the watch faces. Yeah, that's me. I usually take off the watch before a shower, although I can definitely bring it in, but then you'll see. So, I like to time myself when I'm brushing my teeth.
Set a timer for 2 minutes.
Okay, 2 minutes and counting.
Someone once told me I need to do it for at least 2 minutes to make it worthwhile. I end the night by checking my rings once again and charging the watch. It's at 47%, not bad for a Series 5, always on display at its brightest setting. So, has the watch changed my life like all those ads have shown? Probably not to that great of an extent. It complements the existing devices I currently have. I can leave my house with just my watch and get back safely because I can make payments with it, connect to the Wi-Fi with it, and with that I can make FaceTime audio calls with it or emergency calls. It just fits so well in the Apple ecosystem that I'm so deeply nestled in. But I think most importantly, this Apple Watch has motivated me to get up, to be more active, especially with reminders like this. Yes! So it's good. The Apple Watch tells time, among other things. Yes, I know I'm quoting Apple, but because I'm a fan, so bear with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got something out of it. Comment below if you want to know anything about the Apple Watch. I'll be happy to share. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you liked it. And please subscribe for more videos like this. It would really help the channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Stay minty and cheery. I'll see you guys in my next video.